Okay guys, are y'all ready for this epic sleepover? Yeah, I heard every once a week a tornado hits in the Fruit Republic. Oh really? Yeah. Also, did you know that we're in Luke's MPG's universe? Now we're in Doomsday Kingdom universe. Luke, I'm craving cat's little. Yo, what's up, guys? Just come right in. Ow. My bad. Got to open the door. Come in. Yo, this is kind of sick. Hold up. Let me just... There's no freaking way. Holy crap. I can jump up here? Oh my god. It could be better if you use the stairs. Ow. Motorcycle. I've got to throw that away. I'm gonna do it right now. Just hold up. Okay, I made the stairs disabled collision. Enable collision. Hold up for me, guys. Ouch. Oh, did something just fall? Yeah. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell all of y'all that this house is very fragile. So be careful, because some stuff might fall. Also, there's black mold. No, but it's just very fragile. Oh, it once got destroyed by hurricane. I forgot the hurricane name. But I remember it happened back in 2020. Not that hurricane lava that Isaac experienced. Oh, I didn't experience hurricane lava, Francine, Delta, and Beta. There's also a hurricane Alpha. What the Yeah, it's Turbo. Holy god, I am so lucky I didn't got a concussion. Wait for me, guys. Hey. Okay, I'm off. Wait, what are y'all guys doing? We're checking out the house. Oh, okay. Let's set a fire. There we go. Now we'll stay warm and toasty. Okay, seriously, what is going on? That thing just magically fell. Nah, it's because this house is fragile. Just like I told you. Hold up, let me fix something. You like this? Yeah. Oh, that just magically fell. No, it's because this house is fragile. Shut up about this house is fragile stuff. This is really getting me worried. Is there even a TV in here? No. Great, now we won't be able to know if there's a tornado or not. And now it just started raining. Oh, it's done? Holy duck, it is snowing. Oh, now it's raining. Okay, the fire gone out. Drake. Did you just say Drake? No, I meant great. Now you said Drake. Shut up. Or we let guys. Yeah, just come in. And what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing up there? We're just looking at a fire. Oh, okay. Wait, fire during rains? No, like, I don't know. Oh. Sorry we were late for the sleepover. It's okay. That's it, Dragon Fruit. We're boycotting you. Great luck with that. Really, I can always be spawned back. Also, there's a siren nearby, so if that siren goes off, you better hide. But where will we hide? That's the question. Well, I don't fucking know then. Probably right here. Oh, okay. What is that noise? That's the siren. Oh, get under there immediately. Everyone, get there now. Okay, we're here. Holy crap, what just happened? Probably debris flew and then hit it. It just happened again. Holy crap. R.I.P. apple, tomato, dragon fruit, and cactus. Holy crap, dragon fruit, cactus, tomato, and apple just died. R.I.P. apple. Okay, I need to set this as a server. There we go, that's better. Holy crap, it's getting us. Well, not actually yet. Now it is. Holy crap, we're floating. Even the corpses are floating. Everybody try to stay onto ground as possible. Okay, that is failing for me. Bye guys. And Newton. Wait up for me, guys. Blow, this is not time for wait for me, guys. Guys, and this is little, what do you call this? This is not fun. Oh crap. Well, that was quick. After the tornado. After that tornado, all 7 of them died. Okay, I didn't mean to say that right. After the tornado, all 7 of them died. Rest in peace to the ones who perished. Those tornadoes really them up, right? Yeah, they did. And it was so dumb to hide right there. Yeah. Everyone died. The end.